Hello guys, happy Sunday. Welcome back to the vlog. We're on week 20. Ignore that, I need to turn that down. Just got Night at the Museum on while I upload my video. And I'm getting my giveaway box ready. Today I have decided I'm gonna hit up the baking game again. I've got 2 recipes. We're gonna go with lemon cheesecake and lemon bars. I've never had a lemon bar and I'm very excited because it sounds delicious. Rina's here. My order just arrived. And it's this one, but we don't actually know because the box was really small. Anyway, here you go, Davina. Unfortunately. There it is. Oh my god, the box isn't here, it's just smaller than I thought. Ta-da! Ta-da!
Can't hope it doesn't fit you.
Oh, it's big. So, as we can tell, we have childish number 1, childish number 2, and now we have childish number 3. I am so excited to try these on. Anyway, it's now lunchtime. It's Monday today. It's happy Monday, everyone. I hope your Monday.
Never disappoints.
3 is just fangirling over the Hermes delivery man. Now it's time to make some lunch, and I think I've decided on really nice, easy and boring boiled egg sandwich.
Hey, no one cares.
She's not even in my video and she wants the attention. Wow. Come back to me when you're deciding what you do for the rest of your life.
Better than you, that's for sure.
Look at all of these. Ouch, just on your shoes.
Well, you're just displaying all my outfits.
Wow. I showed you guys the lemon bars yesterday, but I didn't show you the cheesecake. And that was because it wasn't quite done. But here it is. Ta-da!
Mr. Schofield, please. Damn it! Is Mr. Schofield there?
Come on.
Michael's going after Cleo, huh?
I have a long relationship with HarperCollins Publishers and Mr.
Morning. Gotta speak quietly because it's like 5:30. 5:30. But look how dark it is outside. I'm sorry, but summer is now officially over. Like, what? Ridiculous. Anyway, I'm off to the gym. So, I'm making some turmeric milk because I've got a little bit of throat, a little bit of the sniffles. So, I had it last night and it really helped my throat, and I've got a bit of a tickly cough. So, you want to get a mug, a little pan, a whisk, and some turmeric. Oh, and some honey. Gotta be so careful, I've got this white top on. Yeah, so that's what we need. So you fill your mug with however much you want. It's just easier to measure it out this way. And then you want to pour your full mug into the pan. I'm just gonna let that start warming up. And then you just wanna start whisking the milk up, really. Get it really nice and frothy. And once it starts to like bubble, you're gonna put your turmeric in. I did this last night and I put way too much, and I put like a full teaspoon. So I think today I'm gonna go for that much, I think. I don't know. Put that in. And just whisk away. I've moved over here now. So I had an accident. Now I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of honey in there as well. Mainly for taste, but honey also has other benefits. Pour this into here. I'm also going to just pour it back and forth just to cool it a little bit. That is the lemon bars that I made with a little bit of whipped cream. And here's my little snack for today. Sneaky trip to IKEA with this one. So we spontaneously ended up in Tamatanga in Knots for dinner. We were going to go home, but I just thought, why not? We're out. So we're in Tamatanga.
Chickpea curry, pilau rice. I think it might be boring and get plain naan. Or garlic naan.
It's been a long few days. I'm telling you. Long few days. I'm really slowly but surely getting through a midnight sun. So here's the update. This is what we have left now. And I've started, because I fell off the wagon a little bit, I've started reading in the morning before I do anything again. So I get up, brush my teeth, get dressed sometimes, and then just lay on my bed and read for an hour until I have to get ready to work. So I've started doing that again, and it's just like changed it. And the fact that I'm now only uploading like the vlogs and other videos as and when I see fit, it's just opened up so much time for me, and I'm so glad that I did that. I got some mail. So if you didn't know, well, not ages ago, like last week or the other week, Spotify were doing it off. Oh my god, that was such a satisfying box open. Davina, open your box, it's so satisfying. Okay, can we see this? How satisfying is this? Anyway, yeah, so I've got a Nest. So yeah, Spotify were doing a thing with premium people that you got a free Google Nest. You're a Spotify person, so I got my free Nest, so I'll probably set that up later today. I got a new nose ring from an Etsy store, so I've got this one that's here now. I've also got a new one. So this is from Alagia. Oh, that's nice. So that's the new nose ring. There we go. It's like a hook type thing. I don't know if you can, how well you can see it, but it's like a hook rather than an actual hoop, so that'll be interesting. Oh, I'm gonna I'm gonna open my Nest Mini now. So this is what we got. Oh, it goes with the room. What does that mean?
Hi, to get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet. The mic's off. The microphone is back on.
Oh my god, why is that so loud? Hey Google.
This device isn't set up yet. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Morning. I went to Beacon Hill Country Park yesterday and went to watch the sunset, which was really pretty, as you would have just seen. But anyway, I left you when I was trying to sort this out and it just didn't work. I was in a bit of a rush and I needed to go, so I'm gonna try and set it up again today. It is still Thursday. I've just filmed a reel for this look because it's inspired by Kaylee's Cash Beauty brand, and I wanted to get something out there because I've been thinking about it for ages. Okay, whatever's in that Tidy Lashes glue is actually intense, because that glue is on another level. Oh, I've had such a weird mood day today. It's been like, I felt really tired and just a bit grim. this morning all the way up until like an hour before I was meant to finish work. So yeah, that was that. It was really weird. And then I've had loads of emails and stuff to sort out, just stuff like that. And I was just, yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym tomorrow because I need to. It's been a while, and I just, yeah, this is the situation at the moment, to be honest. Right, so I'm just tidying up now. There's a lot of mess. A lot of my brushes need cleaning again because they're all like full of like blue paint, white paint, gold paint, just everything and anything is out and about at the moment, and it's a bit wacky. I should probably like give them like a clean down as and when I go along. I just forget and I just can't be bothered. Good morning. Today is Friday. Woohoo! I just impulsively decided to make myself some pancakes for breakfast, and it was alright. I mean, I was in a bit of a rush because I needed to make sure I was at work on time. But yeah, they were nice. Enjoyed it. I'm very glad I did it. Went to the gym, did a disgusting circuit session, but it was very well needed. And I just wanted to tell you how much the Google Nest has changed my life. This is not sponsored or affiliated with Google or anything like that at all. It is just I got a free one because I'm a premium member of Spotify, and it's changed my life because I could just be like I can tell it good night, and then it will blum blum and it will ask me what alarm I want tomorrow, and then it will start playing some really nice thunderstorms or like babbling brook or bird song or something to help me go to sleep. And I slept to a thunderstorm last night and it was lovely. And then when I don't know what it wakes you up like in the morning because I didn't do my alarm for today because I got up at 5 and I don't want to wake the rest of the house up. So I'm going to set the alarm tomorrow and we'll see what it's like. But in the morning you could be like, good morning, and then it'll be like, good morning Priya, the time is this, the weather is like this today, here's the radio, and it will just, honestly, it's changed my life. I love it. It's beautiful. It's amazing. And I don't know what to do without it. Oh my god. So, just been on Twitter. It's the only place I get my news these days. And discovered that the R rating, I think is what it's called, has gone up. Sorry, I was just reading something. So yeah, it just says that R rating has gone up, which measures coronavirus, and it's gone up to 1, and we were at 1 when we were in lockdown, or just above 1, or we had to go below 1 to get out of it. So I'm just counting down the days till we're locked down again.
I'm gonna try and record you now because I think so many things are going wrong.
No, you missed. That was a bit early.